Good morning, people. Welcome to another episode of Tutor Tutorials. Today we're going to talk about some pretty useful tools in Photoshop, such as Liquify and Camera Raw. And let's start with Adobe Camera Raw. So when you take photos with a camera using RAW format, you get not a JPEG but a RAW file depending on what your camera is. And here we have a Sony.arw RAW file. The difference is like the RAW files have pretty higher bitrate, bit depth than the JPEG file, which gives you more room to edit it. So here are little sliders that controls the different zones in your histogram. So if I move the highlight part, you'll see like only the highlight, the white area is being affected. Move the shadow, will be the darker part. So for whites and black, you can see like in histograms, you also label black, shadows, highlight, and whites. And play around with the sliders and you can find some pretty amazing settings and maybe make your own filters. So once you open the file in Photoshop, it'll bring you back to the normal layer, where it looks like this. You have the background as your image that you just got done. And to use the Liquify tool, you go to window down here, filter, and you can apply Camera Raw again if you want to by selecting Camera Raw filter here. We'll skip that and go to Liquify. So what that do is basically you have a little brush that brush the pixels where you want it to go. And you can increase the size of it or how hard it is that you like play around with it, you find out. And if you have a forward-facing people, you'll actually be able to adjust their faces. Like if you eye size, eye highlight, width, and it's a pretty easy way to make your friend looks better. You can basically just reshape his or her face like what you would do in an online game, like in GTA 5. You would just make up your own faces. I won't do an example here because I don't have any friends. And yeah, if you want, you can see you can make a skin, stretch it up a little bit, make it higher, play around with it, or just make funny faces. And pretty powerful tool. Alright, that'd be all for our Photoshop tutorial today. A little quick tutorial, hope you enjoy and just have fun.